is Aubrey Abramson.
I'm Emily Falcon.
And I'm Zoe Frost.
And we're all 5th graders at MSC. We've been working in the greenhouse for 6 years. This is Aphid Spay-Away.
Aphids are little pests that infect leaves, and when we saw many of them in our greenhouse, we wanted a better way to repel them instead of using ladybugs that Shakira gets from around the world and getting each individual one off.
Our question was, which homemade spray will repel aphids the best? We didn't want to make just one spray because there was no guarantee that it would work, so we made 3: citrus, oils, and herbs.
In our citrus spray, we had lemon, lime, and orange zest and water. In our herb spray, we had onion, garlic, 3 herbs, and water. And in our oil spray, we had 3 oils and water.
Our prediction was that the citrus spray would work the best because when it touches the aphid begins to shake violently and then goes into a convulsion and then is quickly neutralized, which also means it dies.
We followed a pretty simple procedure for our project. It was basically mixing boiled water with the main ingredient for our spray. We had 3 plants in 1 bin for each spray, and we had 1 control plant. The control plant was because we didn't count the amount of live aphids on the plants before we started our experiment. So the control plant was a way of knowing if our spray actually had an effect on the aphids.
After 1 week, the citrus spray had 155 live aphids, the oil spray had 150, the control plant had 100, and the herb spray had 38 live aphids, which also means that the herb spray is our winner, killing 70% of its aphids.
From conducting this experiment, we can conclude that there are ways to naturally kill aphids, and our herb spray worked the best. We now know that a lot of people have access to great insect repellent they never knew they had: herbs, onion, garlic, and water. This also means that our hypothesis was incorrect. We thought that the many ingredients of our herb spray would work against each other and not repel the aphids, but they actually worked in harmony to kill them.
Our experiment can help the world because lots of people have gardens infected with aphids. Instead of using chemical sprays like pesticides, they can use organic ingredients to make these kind of sprays that you usually have the ingredients in your cabinet. Chemical sprays are bad for the plants, the soil, and are dangerous to eat. Our spray is a great alternative to them.
One thing we would change from this experiment is using lemon or orange or lime juice instead of the zest. We think it would work better. Another thing you have to be careful of when using this type of spray is that it doesn't kill aphids instantly. So if it does rain, it'll wash off the spray. So before you spray it, make sure you have 5 to 7 days without rain, and then you can spray it.
And also, we were inside, so we don't actually know if this is a problem, but we think that it could be.
Huge shout out to Nancy, our teacher, for helping us get everything together. And another shout out to Shakira, our science teacher, for helping us make everything and get our idea.
Again, I'm Zoe, this is Aubrey, and this is Emily, and we're
Aphid Spay-Away.